You are going to love the 2024 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, 4-wheel drive, turbocharged, power retractable running boards, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, premium wheels, heated mirrors, alloy wheels. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.